Hello everyone, this is Misha Francis and welcome back to my channel. Back when I was looking for content on YouTube to help me with my interview strategy, I couldn't really find anything which told me specifically कि ये कर लोगे तो फिर आप थोड़े better prepared रहोगे for the interview. So last night I sat down with my roommate and both of us sort of curated like these like notes. Can you even see this? These notes on like how we would suggest you to prepare for your NIFT interview. So initially what used to happen is that right after you take your written exam, there is a group discussion and then there's a personal interview. But now that the group discussion has sort of been eradicated and there's only the written exam and the personal interview, the personal interview has become even more important. It also counts for 30% of your grade, so naturally it's a big factor into determining what campus you end up going to. So as soon as NIFT sends you the email saying that congratulations, you have cleared the written part of the exam and now we want to take your interview, they will give you sort of like a calendar and it'll have various days and the time slots that you can choose to have your interview. So I actually made a mistake here and I booked one of the later wala days and then I ended up also booking a early morning slot, but it was like 12 o'clock, something like that. And by the time I entered the meeting room, everybody was sort of bored, everybody's cameras were off, they were not very interested in me anymore. The format is as such. There's usually like 4 to 5 professors, NIFT professors from different campuses who will be interviewing you. Wear something formal. NIFT professors really like it when you put in effort and show up in formal attire. So don't just sit in like a t-shirt or anything. Wear a shirt and be presentable. If you wear glasses, be sure not to have any glare on your glasses from like a screen or anything, because it might influence them into thinking that you have more than one device on your table and that you're cheating or something like that. Safe to assume that if you're watching a video on how to crack the MFM interview, you've already done your undergrad. The NIFT interview panel will ask you very technical and very niche questions based on your field of study. So it's very essential for you to sort of brush up on all the major topics and the major, founder of your field of study. They ask me questions like, who's the father of psychology? Who's the father of sociology? What is one prominent theory of psychology? And how do I think that my undergrad will help me in my education here at NIFT? Brushing up on your undergrad topics and like stuff like that is quite helpful. A similar question to how does your undergrad correlate to MFM is why do you want to do MFM? So have like an answer ready as to why you think that your undergrad degree has helped you or equipped you to perform well in this master's program. Might also ask you why is it that you have chosen MFM and not an MBA. So it's sort of essential to write your own answer as to why you feel like MFM is the right course for you. Coming to like the questions that they might ask that you need to 100% prepare. People in power. So naturally they'll ask you about the president, the prime minister, the home minister, but they'll also ask you questions regarding your state minister, defense minister, minister of textiles. So be like, just brush up on all these topics as well once. Stay updated on the fashion news, stay updated on what's happening in the Ministry of Textiles right now, what fashion week is happening, what are the materials that are being used. I just want to say that this is sort of like a stress test kind of an interview. This is not a get to know you interview. So they are trying to understand how fast you are on your feet, how smart you are, how much do you know from your undergrad. Be confident, be clear, be concise, and if there is anything that you don't know, just say, sir, I'm sorry, I don't know the answer to this question right now. And lastly, I just want to say congratulations on clearing the written part of the exam, and I really hope that you have a great interview and you get your dream NIFT campus.